Now we will start with the next topic, that is dispersal of seeds. Now what do you mean by dispersal? Dispersal means seeds are carried away from one place to another. That is dispersal. Plants cannot, and why it is done? Because plants cannot move from one place to another. So if all seeds fall and germinate near the parent plant, they would not get enough sunlight, air, water, minerals and space to grow. See what happens, plants cannot grow to spread their seeds in the surroundings. So if all this, if it is a plant and all the seeds fall below the plant only, then they will not get enough sunlight, air, water to survive and they will die. Hence, nature helps them to scatter the seeds. Nature has given them the some ways to scatter their seeds. The process of scattering seeds or fruits away from the parent plant is called dispersal. Now, what is dispersal? The scattering of seeds away from the parent plant is called dispersal. Seeds are carried away from the parent plant to far off places by wind, water, animals, or explosion of fruits. These are the four agents of dispersal: by wind, water, animals, or explosion of foods. Explosion means bursting open of fruits. Wind, water, and animals are called the agents of dispersal. Wind, water, and animals, they are called the agents of dispersal. So we will study one by one. Dispersal by wind. Some seeds are very dispersal by wind means they are carried away by the wind. And what things are carried away by the wind? Which are lightweight. Okay, so some seeds are very light and have wings or fine hair on them. Such seeds are easily carried away by wind. Okay, you might have seen this type of seeds, this dandelion seed or sycamore seed. It has a wing like structure and very small hairy structure. They are very light and they are carried away by wind to far off places. Dandelion and cotton seeds have fine hair attached to them which act like parachutes. Some seeds such as sycamore have wings and help them to float in air and move to far off places. Okay, so this is how dispersal by wind is done. Now dispersal by water. The seeds which are dispersal by water are basically the plants which grow near water. Okay, many plants grow in and around water bodies. Seeds and fruits of these plants such as coconut and lotus. As we all know, coconut and lotus. Lotus grows inside the water and coconut is also grown near the water bodies. So they are usually carried away by flowing water to far off places. Coconuts are hollow from inside and are covered with rough hair. This makes them light to float and travel. You know that coconuts are hollow from inside. They have nothing filled inside it, and they have rough hair. They have rough hair on them. That is why they can easily float water and they are carried away to far off places. This is the diagram shown of dispersal by water. Now dispersal by animals. You might have seen these type of xanthium and tiger's claw seeds attached to the body of animals like cows and buffaloes especially. They get stick to their bodies, and when they go and sit somewhere, these seeds uh, fall on the ground and then start growing into a new plant. This is how dispersal by animals is done. Some seeds have hooked spines or stiff hair. This helps the seeds to stick to the hair on the bodies of animals, feathers of birds, and also to our clothes. These seeds are then carried from one place to another. Birds and some animals often swallow seeds while feeding on fruits such as berries. Okay, birds, what do birds do? Birds, when eat small fruits which is having small seeds, they swallow seeds also, and these seeds do not digest in the body and they come out with their waste. Okay, and this is how seeds get dispersed. Seeds also get dispersed when we eat fruits such as mango, papaya, and melon and throw away the seeds. Humans also disperse seeds. We eat the fruits and we throw away the seeds. This is how seed gets dispersed by humans also. Now dispersal by explosion. Explosion means bursting open. The fruits of some plants such as pea and balsam explode when they are dry. You might have seen these type of dried peas or some type of fruit which get burst open when it gets dry and the seeds fall down. This scatter the seeds away from the parent plant. So this is how dispersal is done by explosion. So dispersal by wind, water, animals and by explosion.